In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Fandom account permanently. If you no longer use your Fandom account and would like to have it permanently removed, this guide will walk you through the process from start to finish. Fandom provides a dedicated request system for account deletion, allowing users to submit a formal request to have their account and personal data removed. Follow along carefully, and you'll be able to complete the process in just a few minutes. To begin, sign in to your Fandom account using your usual login credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open a menu containing several account-related options. From that menu, select the option labeled View Profile to access your profile page. After your profile page opens, locate the I Need Help section. Move your cursor over it to reveal additional support options. From the menu that appears, hover over Account or User Problems and then select the option called Why Am I Blocked Here? This will take you to a support article within Fandom's Help Center. Once you're on that page, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the option that says, Please remove my personal information or forget my Fandom account. Open that article and review the information provided. Within the article, you'll find a link to the official request form. Click that link to continue. When the request form appears, carefully fill in all the required fields. Enter your email address and make sure the category is set to Please forget my Fandom account. You'll also need to provide your account username, preferred language, full name, and country. In the subject field, type Delete my account. In the description area, write a clear and professional explanation stating that you would like your account to be permanently deleted. Next, confirm that you are submitting the request on your own behalf and review any remaining confirmation boxes that need to be checked. After verifying that all information is correct, click the Submit button to send your request. Once the form has been submitted, keep an eye on your email inbox. Fandom will send a confirmation message acknowledging that your request has been received and is being reviewed. If your request is approved, your account will typically be deleted within 30 days, and your personal information will be permanently removed from Fandom's servers. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.